Oh, you gotta restart it.
And over the years, he always made money. Oh my God. He had the Leaning Tower. It was a very popular spot. He had politicians, showgirls.
Started from the beginning.
Stars hang out all over the place.
And that show over the flamingo gets better and better. Made a message ready.